Okay, here's a tutorial video. You got the XM. You have the Gen X. Okay, that is the blue XM boost remote. Here's the Gen X. Those are the boost and the remotes there. Okay, I'm just going over things. If you click the 5, it shows the blue XM. So number 5 controls that right there. 3 and 4, the boxes 3 and 4, I click on 3, it shows the Gen X, which is there. So 3 and 4 connect the Gen X boost. That is 3 and 4 at the moment. Sometimes they change. At the moment, there's 3 and 4. Okay.
So 5, how do you call that one?
That's the XM.
XM.
XM. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to click Global Start, just to test. I'm going to click Start. And I've already programmed the signal test, so they all should be lighting up at the moment. So they're booting up. So I want to test to make sure they're all working. So I'm doing the generator signal test. Okay, the XM, it's blinking. So we know that's working. And the Gen X is blinking. So we know they are working. These are all green. That means go. Red means off. Okay, so now I'm going to stop the signal, the generator signal test by going to global stop. And remember, global is all of them. All the generators, they stop at once. And you can pause them all at once, start them at once, resume, hold. Okay, so I'm going to click stop. Okay, so now they're off. Red means off. Okay, so our first project is we want the bugs in here. So I'm going over the basics. So when we get a bug, any bug, mosquito, fly, whatever it is, crawling around, you put it in here. And this has to be closed. You can't put so many bugs that this is like the open a little bit. It has to be shut all the way. So smush those bugs in there. Okay. And also, 50 fingernails, pieces of fingernail could fit in here at once, if you can fit them, up to 50. So we can do up to, at the moment, possibly 150 people running these programs at once, if we want. Okay, so our first project is bugs. Okay, so put the bugs in there, and then we're going to run Spectrum Sweep. So we go up here, and the easiest way to find anything is to just type it in the search bar. The presets are the easiest. All these are the easiest because they're all done. You don't have to do anything. It's just put in. We're going to put sweep. And all these sweep programs are going to come up. But we want Spectrum Sweep. So there's Spectrum Sweep, right? Okay, there's Converge. Where is it? Converge.
Spectrum Camp?
It's right here. Spectrum Sweep. So we have the new Spectrum Sweep, and we have the Spectrum Sweep Legacy. Some people like one or the other, or you can do both. You can do a day of Spectrum Sweep or a day of Legacy Spectrum Sweep. Okay, so we're just going to run the basic one. So we're going to click it twice, 2 times. I'm clicking it 2 times, so it kicks in. Okay, and now we're going to go to Programs, and we're going to make sure Repeat Sequence is on. Repeat Sequence, because that means it runs forever. If you click and put 1, that means it just runs only runs for 3 hours. See the total run time down here, it says total run time 3 hours and 10 minutes. Okay, because it's just going to repeat it.
Repeat sequence.
It's going to repeat it. Okay, right now repeat sequence at 0. So it's set for infinity. So it will run until you turn it off, which means you got to stop it to turn it off. Okay, so we're going to click number 5 because that is the X sound right there.
Mm-hmm.
Which is that right there. So basically, it's as simple as clicking number 5 and then click Start. Okay, so we're going to click Start and it's booting up. Once it boots up, the lights are going to go on. As soon as those lights turn on, that means the bugs, okay, the bugs that are in there, the frequencies are going from the computer into the generator to the DNA of the mosquitoes and the bugs. Okay, quantum entanglement. Okay, so it's sending killing frequencies to kill the bugs in that remote. And it's killing the genetic DNA, the family or the culture of that insect. That any insect that is connected to the DNA genetics of those bugs is going to start killing. They're going to die in egg form and insect form. So anything related is going to start dying. And also, if the bug bit you, the DNA or the poisonous genetic makeup of that, say, dengue fever, those dengue fever DNA genetic material in your body, that will also start disintegrating and vanishing from your body. And in any bodies in the world, these mosquitoes have bitten, they will get better too, because that is, I forgot the right word, but it's, vanishing. So that's what it's doing. People think, oh, does it take a day, a week, a month? No, it's starting the instant those red lights are on and those mosquitoes are in there. Okay, so anyway, that's that, and we're going to turn this off. We click stop. You can click start, scan, pause, hold, amplitude wobble, frequency wobble, or stop. Play around with those, understand what those are later, but anyway, we're going to click stop. Okay, it stopped. And okay, so now we're going to do the Gen X. We're going to start the Gen X. So, let me hold that for a second. Okay. So here's the Gen X right there. And so say we want to work on, say whatever you want to, would you like to work on? Say you have the flu. Say you have dengue fever. I think that's how you spell it. Dengue. Okay, so we're going to do a dengue. So we go through this. People say, how do you pick the right one? Well, it's good to just go through it in your intuition. People's intuition are very good at picking the right one. So you go through it and you're like, okay, let's experiment. Let's try. What's a good one here? Okay. Let me just find one first. So we're looking through these, and you're like, how do I know which one? What's this P mean? What's the R mean? What's the SS mean? What's the L mean? Sorry. What's the L mean? The P mean? The R? The SS? Okay, those are all different tech. So the P means plasma. The R means remote. And since we're doing the remote mode, there's 10 transmission modes, 10 different technologies to transmit the frequencies. So we're doing remote. So we just want the ones, the presets that do remote. Those R ones. So we're not paying attention to the C ones See the C?
Mm-hmm.
C, that means contact mode, which is, this is contact mode. You put these on your skin with the contact tense wire. Okay, just a little tidbit. Okay, 1 hour of contact equals 20 hours of remote. So the more you can do, lie in bed, watch a movie, and do these, the quicker, say, you'll get over dengue fever. Okay, so we're going to pick, I'll just pick out remote one. Okay, dengue fever type 2. Okay, and just a quick update. If you do your biofeedback and this dengue comes up, that means you're on target, because you'll see in reverse lookup for all the dengue things. So that's another way to search for dengue things in presets. So we'll click this one, we'll click control, click number 3, and we'll click start. I did it quick, fast. But that's how fast you do it. Okay, and then the lights come up. Okay, let me look. Okay, this is good that this happened. Okay, they didn't light up. Sometimes they don't light up because the frequencies are so high, they don't register on the remote. So sometimes they don't light up. Okay, now here's another lesson. We're going to do programs. This is where the frequency programs are. There are 60,713 programs in this database, and we've got all these databases. We've got, the Russians, roll right. PRV, that means proven. They're proven to work. There's no guessing, it just works. So we're going to do dengue on the remote on the Gen X. So we go to, we want to click a preset. So we go to show empty presets. These are all empty because we're going to load it with a program. It takes a while to figure that out, but that's the simplicity of it. Okay, we're in remote mode. I personally like kill or heal DH, but there's a lot of them. A lot of empty shell presets to play with. Okay, then I'm going to go to programs up here, and I'm going to type in dengue, and dengue is going to come up. So I'll just click dengue, this one, your basic dengue. And then I'm going to go down here and make sure, I think you need to put 0 on repeat sequence. So I'm going to change that to 0. So I'm going to change the 1 to 0. Okay, now it's going to run for infinity. Run it for a day or two if I had dengue. I'm going to click number 3. So it's all programmed. And it's going to loop every 10 minutes until I stop it. Okay, so then I click start. It's going to boot up, and then the lights are going to come up. Come on. Okay, the light just came on. There's a light. Okay, if it's a solid light, that's okay. As long as the light comes up, that's good. Sometimes it's flashing. Sometimes you don't see them like this one.
Mm-hmm.
Usually, in most cases, they're flashing. So, but anyway, as long as you look at the screen here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, what's going on? G2 is not working. Oh, I guess it. So we'll go back. Oh, it's turned off. It wasn't set to infinity. Okay, let me do another one. Okay, so I'm going to do killing. I'm just going to pick killing. That's a killing preset. Click another dengue program. That one, I'm going to click 0 for infinity, like that. Go to control, Then I'm going to click number 4. And then, see, it's all loaded. Killing arbovirus infections, which I think is a lot of them. Then I can click start. Okay, it's going to load. It's loading, and it should light up. Yep, so it lit up the remote, and now it's working. As soon as it lights up and your DNA from your fingernails are in there, there could be 50 people in there that has dengue or something, they all would be healing at the same time. Okay, so that is that. And so I will turn both of these off. Turn off both these generators by going to global stop. Global stop. It's just a quick way of stopping everything. Okay, everything's stopped. Okay, a last update. Michelle's favorite one is DH Dental. So let me just quickly show that. So you go to her favorite frequency presets are the DH Experimental. We're going to go to Remote. And her favorite one is Teeth and Gum Decay and Restoration. This heals everybody's dental problems. Anyway, we're going to double click it. Go to Programs. Make sure it's on repeat sequence is on 0.
Should be 0, right?
Yeah. On 0. On 0. And then we're going to click Control. And then we're going to, number 3 goes to the Gen X. So we're going to click number 3. And then, okay, so we've loaded it. Teeth, Gums, Decay, and Restoration. You see it over there. It's going to loop every 1 hour, 32 minutes. Right there. Okay, so we're going to click Start. Okay, so click Start. It's going to boot up, pop up a window, and then boom, it will light up. Oh, it's supposed to light up. What happened? Oh, okay. It has lit up, but it's so faint. That's another good update. Sometimes it's so faint you can there it goes. You can barely see it. So you have to go down and squint real close and see if the lights are on. Compared to the other remote, you can tell. Look at both remotes. One's off. This is on. And yeah, some of them are sort of faint. Okay, so that's, yeah, as soon as you put that one on, your teeth, gums, dentals can start to restore. Cavity is gone. Yeah. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, and here's an update. The surge protector, it's good that everything's plugged into this. I think this works, and I'm not sure about this side. We have to investigate. There's 2 plugins. This plug-in here and this part. I know this works. I'm not sure about this. We have to investigate that. And okay, everything's here. Everything's working. And as soon as we can get bugs and nails in here, yeah, we are ready to go. At the moment, we are running the software 2024 November 11th, 11/19 November 11th. So every few months, upgrade the software. At the moment, the new software is not working, so we're using November 24, 2024. And let's see, anything else? Okay, and the rest of this, there's videos on YouTube, Michelle and I can do a video. It's up to you. Anybody who wants to do this, I could easily do a video. But the other frequency delivery systems, the contacts, and there's audio speakers, so you can send audio frequency through the speaker, and cold laser. This goes on your wrist. These go in your ears or nose or mouth if you want. These 2 little bud things right there. Cold laser is very powerful to purify the blood. I think that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.